A person is driving a vehicle at a uniform speed of 5 meter per second on a level curved track of radius 5 meter. The coefficient of static friction between tires and the road is 0.1. Will the person slip while taking the turn with the same speed? According to the problem, the vehicle is moving with a uniform speed of 5 meter per second on a level curved track of radius 5 meter. The coefficient of static friction between the tires and road is given as 0.1. For a particle to exhibit a circular motion, there should be a centripetal force acting on the particle. So, as this vehicle is taking a curved path, there should be some centripetal force acting on this vehicle. This centripetal force is provided by the frictional force between the road and tires of the vehicle. So, to have safe turning, centripetal force should be less than or equal to the limiting friction. Centripetal force is written as mv square upon radius of curvature, less than or equal to limiting friction is written as mu s times of normal reaction force. So when you draw free body diagram on the car, its weight acts vertically downwards, normal force given by the road acts vertically upwards, and the static friction acts towards to the center of the curvature. So from FBD it is clear that normal reaction force is equal to mg. So this implies mv square upon r is less than or equal to mu s times mg. So on further simplification we can write this as v square less than or equal to mu s rg. So this implies v square is less than or equal to 5 meter per second whole square. Therefore, the person will have safe turning on this level curved track only when v square value is less than or equal to 5. But in the problem, v is given as 5 meter per second. So, v square will be equal to 25, which is far greater than 5. So, the person will slip. So, the correct option is the person will slip if v square is greater than 5 meter square per second square. So, the option is 2.